I am Hill Kulu from the University of St. Andrews. Our team in St. Andrews is very delighted to be part of the ESRC Connecting Generations Center. The center will provide us the opportunity to work with colleagues from Southampton, Stirling, Oxford, and the Resolution Foundation on the cutting-edge topic of population change and fairness between generations. We will contribute to research on intergenerational support within families and communities and migration and social mobility using novel spatial and longitudinal data and methods. Let me give you two examples. Geographical proximity is an important factor which determines whether and how generations can support each other. We know that there is a substantial spatial polarization between young and old age groups in the UK, and that spatial separation between generations has risen in the past 3 decades. However, relatively little is known about how close adult children and their parents live to each other. This is an important question. Parents can support their adult children by providing them childcare. Adult children, in turn, can support their parents when they become old. Geographical proximity is thus a critical factor, and mapping, analyzing, and projecting spatial patterns of family networks is an important task. Another important topic is the relationship between social and spatial mobility within and across generations. We know that spatial mobility has declined in industrial countries. People move less in their lives than in the past. We also know that social mobility has stalled, particularly amongst younger generations. The current generation is one of the most educated and yet has lower chances of achieving the same standard of living as their parents. Within them, those who lack access to intergenerational support face the worst prospects. Intergenerational support is important. It influences who is able to access both spatial and social mobility, for example, through support with the costs of education, moving to better labor markets, and childcare support. The study of the relationship between social and spatial mobility is more pressing than ever, given economic uncertainties related to Brexit and the current health crisis. These were some examples of our planned research. Thank you very much.